अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एक्सप्लोरेशन। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पीपीएससी, एनटीएस, एफपीएससी, सीसीएस, जीके के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट एब्रीविएशंस जो कि मोस्ट रिपीटेड हैं और हर एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। VDU stands for Video Display Unit. CRT stands for Cathode Ray Tube. CRO Cathode Ray Oscillator. FARS Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. BOT Build Operate Transfer. AMU Atomic Mass Unit. EMF Electromotive Force or Electromagnetic Field. ADH Antidiuretic Hormone. STP Standard Temperature and Pressure. NPT Network Time Protocol. CRT Cathode Ray Tube. FARS stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. GeV Giga Electron Volt. NTP Normal Temperature Pressure. CRT Cathode Ray Tube. FARS Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. NTP Network Time Protocol. RQ stands for Respiratory Quotient. PVC Polyvinyl Chloride. NPN Negative Positive Negative. WAN Wide Area Network. ECG Electrocardiogram. CPU Central Processing Unit. DCG Decilels of Calmette. STP Standard Temperature and Pressure. ATP Adenosine Triphosphate. PNP Proton Neutron Proton. LAN Local Area Network. kWh kilowatt hour. BTU British Thermal Unit. LDL Low Density Lipoprotein. ROM Read Only Memory. MAF Million Acre Feet. SONAR stands for Sound Navigation and Ranging. LCD Liquid Crystal Display. HDL Hardware Description Language or High Density Lipoprotein. UHF Ultra High Frequency LED Light Emitting Diode. Basic Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. HST High Speed Technology. DBS Database Server. VLCC stands for Very Large Crude Carrier. VTOL Vertical Takeoff and Landing. SCTI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. This is a project which is used to find the aliens. SCTI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. ABM Anti-Ballistic Missiles. AIR All India Radio Annual Information Report. AITUC All India Trade Union Congress. AJT Advanced Jet Trainer. ALH Advanced Light Helicopter. AM Anti-Meridium Before Noon. AMC Army Medical Corps. Asset Management Companies. AME Associate Member of the Institute of Engineers. APC Agricultural Prices Commission. APEC Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. APPLE Apple Ariane Passenger Payload Experiment. APPU, Asian Pacific Postal Union, ARC, Asset Reconstruction Company, ASC, Army Service Corps, ASCI, Advanced Strategic Computing Initiative, ASC2, American Standard Code for Information, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEM, Asia Europe Meeting. BARC, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, BC Before Christ, Board of Control, British Columbia, Battery Commander. BCG, Bacillus calmette guerin, BOSS, Bharat Operating System Solutions, BRO, Border Road Organization, CA, Chartered Accountant, CD, Conference on Disarmament, CNG, Compressed Natural Gas, CNN Cable News Network, DoD, Department of Ocean Development, DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory, EFA, Education for All, EFF, Extended Fund Facility, ELISA, ELISA, Enzyme-Linked Immunosolvent Assay, which is used for testing AIDS, GATT, GATT, General Agreement on Tariffs and Trade, GPS, Global Positioning System, GPO, General Post Office, GST, Goods and Service Tax, KG, Kindergarten, KG, Kilogram, KPO, Knowledge Process Outsourcing, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, modem, modulator, demodulator, NATO, National North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO, PTI, Press Trust of India, SAARC, South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, UAE, United Arab Emirates, UN, United Nations, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Fund, WADA, WADA, World Anti-Doping Agency, शुक्रिया। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दें।